Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Carol Sterling's house here in Covington, Georgia. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle from this slope right here, which is her right-facing slope. As you can see, she has a lot of wind damage. A lot of it is completely blown off shingles, torn shingles, but a lot of widespread wind damage, as you can see. Now, you can already tell that this roof is a brittle roof just by majority of these wind damaged shingles being completely missing and torn off. Definitely past its life expectancy. Regardless, we're going to be repairing this shingle today. I'm going to let you guys follow along during this process. I'll be putting in a new shingle. Set this on the ridge. Here is the shingle that we will be taking out today. Put this cushion down. Wind damaged shingle. As you can tell, the tab ends right there, making it these 3 tabs right here. All right, guys, let me get you guys angled. You guys can see all the shingles I'm working with. This is the damaged shingle. Wow, that popped off really easily, guys. As you can tell, the shingle is completely sealed, unsealed. That's probably why we have so much damage. Completely sealed, unsealed, unsealed. You can kind of just, as like, completely sealed, unsealed. Man, yeah, not a lot of sealant left on these shingles. You can tell that they're really thin and brittle, but let's do this repair. Ooh, and they are high nailed very badly. All right, shingle, nail's supposed to be there. Nail is all the way up there. So I'm gonna kind of have to readjust you guys. Gonna have to lift the shingle a little bit more to pop that nail out as it is. Okay. Right there. All of these are high nailed, guys. Every single one of them. Alright, guys, here's the new shingle going in. Doesn't have a glare. Ready, guys? New shingle is in. Here we are. Now, we can go over here, guys. That's the repair. None of these shingles were affected during this repair. So I can, rub my hands across these. No granules fall off. There are no loose granules on the unaffected shingles. Now, as you can see in this repair, I had to manipulate these 2 rows of shingles in order to remove the damaged shingle. Now, you can already kind of see some creasing in the corners of these shingles. But next windstorm, next inclement weather, any kind of rain we get, it's gonna wash all these loose granules off. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did up there, guys. As you can tell, I can rub my hands across these shingles. And all of those loose granules have now come off. Now, as leaving these shingles creased, especially susceptible in these corners, and as you can see from the rest of the roof, next windstorm, these things are gonna just break and snap off. As you can see, it's pretty consistent across the board. You still have the granules coming off. I'll go ahead and chalk these up for you guys. Thank you for your consideration.